Hi, in this video, we're going to show you how to configure PAD. After the successful installation and registration of the app, you need to complete the following setup to work with the PAD feature. First, go to Bank, Export and Import Setup. You need to create a new record for PAD, give it a code, and then give it a name. The direction should be set to export. Set the processing code unit to 1230. Processing XML port should be 1010. Check export code unit should be 1233. Now go to the number series page and create a new number series for PAD. You need to give a code, a description, and set up an appropriate number for PAD. Now go to the bank account card and fill in the following information: the bank branch number, bank account number, select PAD for SEPA direct debit export format, and select a PAD again for direct debit messaging number. Enter the creditor number, enter the transit number, enter the client name. Now go to the general ledger setup, enable SEPA non-euro export and SEPA export without bank account data